Now in this video, I'm going to show us how to withdraw from this particular update which I dropped earlier. Now remember, we said we are actually trying if we are going to be credited or not, so we can know if to continue with this platform. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you straight on how you can withdraw from your account and ways you can withdraw from your account. And so before we proceed with this video, if you're actually coming to the channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, please do well to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, also do well to like this video and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever valuable content like this is being posted in this channel. Now with that being said, let's dive into the business of today. Now remember, I told you on the previous video that when you get to a particular amount of earnings on your accounts, you can actually go through earnings on your emails. You can start earning through emails, you can start earning through referrals, and also through watching ads, and also through making reviews. Remember that I said that there are also 4 ways you can earn right on this platform, which are these ways I just mentioned: the referral, the earning through emails, the watching ads, and the making reviews. Now you can see this for yourself. Now let's say we want to go over to earning through emails. You can go over to start earning right here. You can see that you can just input the email right here and the password you have created and click on upload to earn right on your account. I made this on my previous video, and on my Telegram channel I posted a link that explains how you can create multiple emails without having issues. Within a second you're done creating emails. You can use that for this platform. Now you can see referring, just come over to invite friends and copy your affiliate link and share with your friends, and you are going to be given $1.5 as they claim. Remember, we said we are making reviews. Now right here to watch ads, you can see once you click on end from ads, click on watch ads, you can see right here that you can go ahead to watch ads and your earnings will be showing right here, and your total earnings also will be showing right here. So right here you can see there are different ads right here. We have the tech gadgets, we have the mobile packages, we have the online and learning, we have the shopping deals and freelance work. So let's go over to click on this ads right here, so you can see that this is the ad they actually want you to view. I don't know how this works, but let's stay on this page for some seconds so you can see that. So this is the ad they actually want you to view and do. So let's say we are done with this, and let's go over to the main account. So when you come right here, you can see one completed. So this is what you just have to do. Once you click on it, stay on the page for some particular seconds. So once you're done, you can go back or you can go ahead to minimize this. So when you come right here, you can see 2 completed. So this is what you do to the rest of these ads right here. Click on the online learning, stay on the page for some particular seconds, and you will be accumulating your earnings on your account. You can see this for yourself. So the process of this is not that difficult. You can go ahead to do this shopping deals and freelance work also. So once you're done with this, you go back to your account. So right here you can see that you just got yourself some points. Now you can also come down to end from review. So once you click on write review, you can see this for yourself. You can go ahead to do these tasks for yourself. Now let's go over to the purpose of this video, which is to withdraw from our account. You can see right here I have a total of $88.65 on my account. So once you go ahead to click on withdraw now, it's going to take you over to the withdraw page, because I said if you get to the minimum withdrawal, you can be able to view this page. So if you don't have the minimum withdrawal, you can't get to view this page. Now this is my available balance, and these are the method of payment. We have the Jazz Cash right here, we have the Easy Paisa, we have the Skrill, we have PayPal, we have Payoneer, we have Perfect Money. Now the withdrawal amounts are ranging from $30, $50, $100 and $500. So right here we are going over to click on PayPal, because I'm using my PayPal right here, and I'm going to input the email right here. So once I come right here, I'm just going to paste the email address of this PayPal right here and come down right here to click on request withdrawal. You can see that, you can see withdrawal pending. You already have a pending withdrawal request. Our team will review it within 5 to 10 working days. You can make a new request after this one is processed. You can see that they are expected to make a review between 5 to 10 working days. So let's say we are giving them this week. So once I get the credited amount of these funds to my PayPal account, I'm going to drop the screenshots on my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, also to my WhatsApp channel. So that is why it's advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I share some specific ways you can use to make some earnings for yourself. So that is how the withdrawal process of this particular platform works. So you can see I placed $30 on my account, so I should be left with some earnings on my account. So when we go back right here, you should be seeing that I have left $61 on my account. Now this is just to confirm if this platform pays or not. Now if it actually pays, I'm still going to make a withdrawal of the balance I have right on my account. And go ahead to click on their WhatsApp to join their WhatsApp channel to get more of their updates. Right here you can see created only for your region, to teach about this particular platform and solve some questions that are needed to be solved. So just click on follow channel right here. Let me open this through here, so you can see this is their channel. You can just follow them and get more updates on their platform. So right here you can get some information about it and how it works, and you can get to understand some things you need to be cleared about. You can find the link on the pinned comment section. Also give it a try and see if it works out for you. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it. If you have any question, feel free to drop them on the comment section below and I'll be glad to give a response to this. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.